Hi friends, good morning. Let us see our next problem. See, sum of upstream plus downstream speed of a boat is 82 kmph. So US plus DS 82 kmph and the boat US plus DS is equal to 82 kmph. 82 kmph and see, the boat travels 105 kilometers upstream in 3 hours. So, US is equal to the boat travels 105 kilometers in 3 hours. Distance by time. So, that is 35 kmph. This is upspeed time. US. So, US plus DS is equal to 82. US is equal to 35. Therefore, DS is equal to 82 minus 35, that is equal to 47 kmph. 47 kmph. Now the question is find the time taken by boat to cover 126 kilometers downstream in see downstream time is equal to travel 126 kilometers distance by velocity. So 126 by 47, that is the time taken, in downstream to travel 126 kilometers with 47 kmph. 47 2's 94. 94 means 94 6 plus 26 32.327 7 sevens 49 7 fours 28. So 2.7 hours approximately. So this is your answer, friends. Okay.